What the oh, man. I don't know where I put them things at, man. Oh, there they go. We in there, baby. Let's get into the package, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tuning into yet another video, man. I thought I lost the package, hey, but I finally found them. We here, and now I'm about to do this unboxing straight and just for you guys. This is a long anticipated unboxing. I had them for a couple of days now, man. Shouts out to the homie Jumperman Kris. We're gonna talk about the details and everything like that later in this video, but a huge shout out to the homie JMK, man. I'm gonna leave his YouTube down below. And yeah, we finally got the Air Jordan 1 of 2022, hands down. And I already know once I'm unboxing, y'all probably gonna see a boy smiling a lot. Super excited, starting to talk real fast because, like I said, this is one of my #1 pickups that I wanted to get, my most anticipated release, and we finally have them today, man. If you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, man, hit that subscribe button for your boy, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we drop. We got a lot more early reviews coming very soon, a couple other unboxings, and a couple of grill packages that I picked up since here for the collection. I thought I was gonna keep my collection under 200 pairs, and that's foregone now. Like, I already have over 200 pairs of shoes again, and maybe I cut back, you know, sooner than later. I don't know yet, but just know the content's gonna keep rolling. This thing is gonna keep coming, and all I need you guys to do is subscribe, hit the notification bell, and please leave a huge like button on every single video, because it goes a long way. You guys already know we trying to hit that 70K, and we right around the corner, baby. So like I said, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and please leave a huge like and comment down below, man. Let me know what your favorite release of the year is, your favorite Jordan 1. Anything, you guys know I respond to every single comment. So tip me, try me, drop them comments, man. All right, let's get into the box. Again, shouts out to the homie Jumperman Kris. He hit me up, he watched my video. He seen I was a little frustrated, seen I was a little salty about the release, how it went. So he hit me up, he said he should have a size 9.5 coming in very soon. He said like sometime later in the week. And then next thing you know, he hit me up, he was like, yo, I have a size 9, I just picked them up. You just give me what I paid for them. So I ended up paying $380 for these Air Jordan 1s inside of the box. You guys should probably already know what it is. If you ain't skipped already, like I said, this is my favorite Jordan 1 of the year and my favorite Air Jordan pickup this year in 2022. So let's go ahead and get right into it. But like I said, I'm gonna leave the homie YouTube down below. You're gonna roll to 200,000 subscribers. He right around the corner, and I really appreciate him for looking out for your boy, man. I ain't get a crazy price. You guys know if I would have picked up on GOAT or on StockX, or I'd have paid fees and shipping and all that good stuff, so it would have been around $420, $430, $450, and I got him for $380, which isn't too bad. So here we have it. Yes, sir. Let's go ahead and get him out of the box. Got tape all over me. And yes, sir. Yes, sir. You guys see it, man. And inside, hey, we finally found the Air Jordan 1 of the year. And let's go ahead and peel these things open, man. Let's get into them. Air Jordan Retro High OG Varsity Red Black Sail Muslin and the size 9 action. You guys see it. You already know what the box is. You should know what it is, man. Look at these, bro. Oh, man, we got them, bro. We finally got them. I seen a lot of you guys' comments. Y'all was like, you ain't got them. You ain't gonna get them. You're not gonna pay resale. You're not gonna find a decent price. And we have them. $380. You can't beat it. Let's see what they hitting for, man. Let's see what they hitting for, bro. Okay, got the receipt right here. And then you have Jumperman Kris sticker, man. Shouts out to the homie. Got a couple of these already. I actually bought one of his hoodies a long time ago, and he signed it. It's a 1-of-1 signature on the hoodie. Should have worn in the video, but here we go. Look at this, bro. Oh my God, I just don't even know what to say, honestly, because like I said, my most anticipated release since the beginning of the year. Dope tissue paper. Let's get into it. Okay, got another layer. You got some more tissue paper, and yes, sir, bruh. Shouts out to the homie Jumperman Kris, bruh. We have found the best Air Jordan 1 of the year, the best Jordan in the year, in my opinion. The Air Jordan 1 Chicago, lost and found, man. Man, we gotta pull both these out of the box real quick. We gotta talk about them. Your boy is excited, man. Oh my God, I finally got my size 9, bro. Oh my, look at these, bro. This is the shoe that I've been talking about for so long, and for me to have them in the collection now feels surreal. Feels so real. And the way that I got him. Got him for one of the homies. He's actually looked out on the channel a couple of times. Man, it's just, I can't believe it, bro. We got him. We got the Lost and Found Chicagos. And I can only see these Air Jordan 1s going up a lot more. I told you guys it's gonna be a little dip after we see these restocks that Nike's gonna do. And of course, all of the FLX reservations for Foot Locker and Champs. But after that, I definitely think they're gonna shoot back up sometime early next year, probably even by the end of the year, just because around that Christmas time frame and all that good stuff, and just because of the colorway. This is Chicago. We haven't got this sneaker in over, what, 6-7 years? They released back in 2015, and now they brought it back in a reimagined version, and the Lost and Found whole, you know, marketing behind it. Now you guys probably watched 100 videos about this one, know the backstory about them, how they came up with the whole Lost and Found name, and it just gives this shoe the craftsmanship, the details around the ankle, the details on even the outsole. My first time seeing the outsole in hand, look at that. Kind of got like a worn outsole right here with the white splatter all around of the outsole. And I just thought that this joint was crazy. And even on the side panels, I did not notice. Kind of get that age look as well. So I'm gonna get a little bit closer. And of course, I'm gonna show you guys a B-roll, but you kind of have this crackled leather effect going on the side panels of the Chicagos and on the upper heel of these Air Jordan 1 Chicagos as well, man. So, bruh, we finally have them. The best Jordan release of the year. I thought it was gonna be probably like the Fire Reds, like the playoffs, you know, one of those OG colorways, but I don't think nothing can top the shoe that pretty much started it all, the Chicago. I know the bread, I think the breads came first. These were the breads or Chicago's, but this is the shoe. This is that one, that Air Jordan 1 that everybody wants in a collection. And we finally have these bad boys. And even on the midsole, you get this aged look as well. Oh, bro, they killed it, bro. They killed it with these right here. Probably not gonna rock these for a little minute because I definitely have to double up. Like, I gotta have a pair on ice for a little minute. Gotta have a pair I can actually wear, because when you're talking about Chicago's, this shoe right here, you can wear with a lot of different things. You can dress it up, dress it down, rock it in the summer, rock it in the winter. You can rock them all year long just because you have that nice color blocking with the Chicago hits, that red, and of course you have those white panels. And you have a black Nike swoosh. Like, you can't beat it. Just a good overall Air Jordan 1 in my opinion, bro. Although I do wish they would have just brought back the, you know, the normal Chicago ones without the stretched look and all the whole Lost and Found vibes. These right here are definitely still a go. Still definitely a must cop for me. Had to add them to the collection. Had to pay resale. It is what it is, you know what I'm saying? The release was trash. The FLX wasn't showing no love. And I said, you know what? It's probably best that I grab these now. And if you get a good price around like $350, $360, $380, I would definitely pull the trigger, because I'm already contemplating hitting somebody up like, yo, you got a size 9, because I definitely want to double up, because I want to rock a pair like a lot. I love wearing Jordan 1s, probably my go-to in the collection as far as, you know what I'm saying, dressing up when I'm going out, stepping out, everything like that. I throw on a pair of Jordan 1s because they're so reliable. You can wear them with a lot of different things, and everybody loves Jordan 1s. So you definitely can grab some attention, turn some heads, and especially with these Chicago things, man. Look at them, bro. Oh my God, I'm super excited. Shouts out to the homie JMK with a huge assist. Hey, I need to double up. Somebody give me another price, 380, 350. Around that price range, hit me up, because I definitely want to secure the double up so I can rock and put one on ice for a little time to come, man. You guys think I pulled the trigger too early, that I paid too much? You guys let me know. I know a lot of people out there still want to add a pair. I wish I would have got them for retail, but I didn't. So you gotta do what you gotta do, you know what I'm saying? So we have them in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. The nice unboxing of the best Air Jordan 1 released in 2022. And I'm gonna put it out there. I think this is the best release of 2022. You guys let me know what you think about that prediction, man. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any other content. Got an early look coming within the next couple of days. Stay tuned for that, and a couple of grill unboxings just for you guys. Drop all your comments down below. Leave your thoughts, opinions What do you think about the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds? And please leave a huge like on today's video before you slide out, man. I appreciate everybody for tapping in. Much love to everybody out there. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.